Alright, today I'm going to attempt to replace a touchscreen panel on the nav system from a 2010 LX570. My original approach was going to be to replace the whole unit, but these part numbers vary wildly between these model years. This one is the 86431, 60231, hard to find. Alright, now from here, I believe we attack these screws. Now a smart person would have some sort of ratcheting electronics specific screwdriver, but I am no smart person. Ooh, okay. First panel off. Now what? I did see a video where someone was replacing a board inside this part, and so they got to a few disassembly stages. These all look like the same size screw, which is convenient. So let's take off these 4 screws at the corners and see what happens. I think this is where I'm going to encounter my first ribbon cable, which I've never done before. So that'll be exciting. Something will happen. Looks like actually 6 screws total, so 2 at the top and then 4 down there at the bottom. Or wait, that is the top. 4 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Okay, got some things I need to disconnect here. Looks like there's a cable here and a cable here. You can't see it, but there's a little tab right here that this cable slides under. And I think you push on the top. Yep, and that comes right out. Now as for this other one, it's funny, these other videos, no one has issues with this stuff. They've probably done it before too. Okay, got one side up. Hopefully not bending any pins. Alright, don't do what I do. Alright, finally made headway. So I originally tried attacking ribbon from that side. Turns out that it's this one. So it flips up from the back right there on either side. And then let's see if it comes out. Oh boy, that got exciting. Still not quite. Oh! Ah, there's 2 little tabs. Okay. Whew! Alright, first pucker up moment of many. Alright, where are we? So, we're supposed to just keep pulling pieces off, from my understanding. Okay. All right, that is off. Or something, just coarser thread. And if it goes into metal, obviously it's just got a finer thread to it. Anything that is part of this plastic process is going in this bin right here for organization. Alright, 1, 2, we're leaving these here because it connects these two metal pieces and I just want to see what happens. I'm trying to see where this ribbon cable right here, I'm trying to see what that's connected to. That looks like it needs to maybe come off. Yeah, it's connected to the circuit board below. So we are going to need to flip up this connector right here, like so. Probably helps to know more about ribbon connectors, huh? Oh, that was it. Need to lift it up a little bit. There's two tabs on the side that you definitely can't see from here. Sort of locked in, so you need to lift up on those little tabs. So where are we now? Okay, little metal tabs on the side here, going into the trim here. It's like little tabs on this metal bracket going inside the trim. I think what I am going to do is pull these two screws off. Okay, well, a lot of things have to go right for this to work. Okay, that's terrifying. This stays in place. This plastic is really thin. So just get a little tiny wedge right in here. Okay. Holy moly. Well, that was more difficult than anybody wanted it to be. So now we've got to get the screen out. This screw on the side, this screw, matching screw on the side, and well, certainly that's not it, but let's find out. Alright, two screws. This part comes right off. And now we are at the boss stage. Okay. This ribbon connector right here slides out. No special connector going on. This one right here. Oh, that was easy. This little metal part right there just flips up, and let's just see what happens. Nothing. Oh, all right. Take it a little further. Now it backs out. It's hard to know what should be forced and what should be caressed here. Final one. Is this like it kind of hugs over it? Okay, it's got a little hug mechanism that just slides over the back. All right, 4 screws in the corners. These look smaller than the other screws, and they'll go in our third extra special little bin. So future self, circuit board for here. This is all the coarse and fine thread screws that attached to the trim, and then this is just everything else. All right, circuit board. Okay, 1, 2 screws on the outside, 3, 4. Let's get to business. I'm also gonna just put these screws in this third bin here. These remind me of little like hard drive screws that go on the side here. Okay, one side free. Now is not the time for a strip screw. Alright, too small to be extracted. We have to drill that sucker out. Old panel. And now we go backwards. Okay, moment of truth. It looks normal. I can hear the disc changer going. Oh yeah, that is not yellow, my friends. Oh my gosh. Amazing.